Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. You'll also need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit for safety and ease of access. Having your new bumper ready will streamline the process significantly. Next, we'll focus on detaching the old bumper. Begin by removing all the screws and plastic clips along the top edge, usually found under the hood. Then, move to the wheel wells. There are typically a few screws or clips securing the bumper liner to the fender. Finally, gently unclip the bumper from its side mounting points, often near the headlights and taillights. With the fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect any electrical components. If your Civic has fog lights or parking sensors, you'll find wiring harnesses attached to the bumper. Carefully unclip these connections, ensuring not to pull on the wires themselves. Once all electricals are free, you can gently pull the old bumper away from the vehicle and set it aside. Now for the exciting part, installing your new Honda Civic bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points. Reconnect all electrical harnesses for fog lights and sensors. Begin by securing the bumper to the side mounting points, then work your way around, reinstalling all the screws and plastic clips. Double-check everything for a secure and flush fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.